Hey, what's happening, everybody? It is your man KR coming to you live and direct out of Chi-Town. I want to welcome you to the Daily Wealth System, guys, sponsored by the Daily 500 Club. This thing is amazing. This is our Daily Wealth System, and we're going to be showing you how to generate 68K within the next 60 days. How would you like to generate $68,000 within the next 60 days? What's even better than that? All you need is $25 to get started. 25 bucks gets you set up to earn over 68K within the next 60 days. So for the next few minutes, just bear with me as I introduce to you this great system that we've developed to generate wealth. We've created a supercharged way to generate mega cash by simply working together using a powerful system. The Daily Wealth System is a supercharged, inexpensive program that was designed to put fast cash into the bank accounts of those who are currently in need of immediate income. The Daily Wealth System can give you the ability to generate an impressive daily income right from the comforts of your very own home. Now, what we do is not made for everyone. I want to put that disclaimer out there because what we do is not made for anyone. So at this point, you're going to be able to examine yourself and see if this is something for you. This is not for people who do not like or can't afford to invest into themselves. If you're somebody that don't have $25 or have $25 and don't want to invest it into yourself, this is not for you at this time. This is not for people who do not like to talk to others or work with others as a team. If you're somebody that don't like working with other people or talking to other people or sharing great information or opportunities with others, this is absolutely 150% not for you. This is not for people who make excuses before even trying. If you're somebody that has already said, well, I don't want to do that because I don't like talking to other people. I don't want to do that because I might have to recruit other people. This is not for you because we over here, let me share something with you. If any of the above mentioned are you, stop watching this video right now and do not, and I repeat, do not waste your time. We are a team of hustlers and go-getters whose only mission is success. So if that means that we have to talk to other people and share this great opportunity with others, we are going to do it. If this is something that you can't do, do not go any further than here. You can disconnect, and thank you for coming. Now let's take a look at our 5 levels and how we earn. We have our level 1, which is the apprentice level. That starts at $25, guys. $25. We have our level 2, which is going to be accomplished strictly from the upgrade from the apprentice level of $25. You're going to go into your $100 level. From there, you're going to go into your wealth builder level, which is $500, all from the profits from the apprentice and big boss, right? Then you're going to go into your wealth VP, the wealth vice president, guys. You're going into that from upgrades from the $25, $100, and the $500 level. Then our final level and the biggest payout level is our CEO, where you're going to come in for $5K strictly from the profits of the $25, $100, $500, and $2K. So you see that everything begins from profit once you tap into the $25. So that means you're on your way to making that $68K without having to put up any more money. We have an amazing 5-level wealth system for you guys. Step 1 is, of course, the setup, which is $25, like I just indicated. You come in for $25. Everything else from that is profit, which we call the income builder upgrades. Now, your income builder upgrades help you to collect those $100, $500, $2,000, and even $5,000 payments directly into your bank account or Bitcoin wallet. That's right, we're using Bitcoin too, guys. So we're innovation over here. We're innovation at its best. This happens via upgrades only. All of the higher levels are accomplished via upgrades from the $25 level. Now, how many people do we need to do this? Well, I tell each one of my team members is based upon the power of 5. Everyone needs to bring in 5 people. 5 need to get 5 that get 5. We don't even want to pretend with it. We're not even going to play with it. 5 that get 5 is what we are looking at, right? So that's what we want to do. Everybody want to work with 5 people by simply sharing this great opportunity with 5 like-minded people, not just anybody, but like-minded people who are willing to invest 25 and also share with 5 other like-minded people can quickly generate 60K, right? A 60K payday going directly into your bank account or Bitcoin wallet. Let's take a look at the earnings, guys, because this is the most important apart. Let me give you our strategy here and let me show you how you're going to be able to take this little simple $25 and turn it into 60-some K, guys. Now watch this. We have our level costs, our team members here. We have our level incomes, level upgrades, as well as level profits. That's your most important section right here, level profits. We call this month one, guys. This is round one, month one. Within round one, month one, we want to walk away with $30,525. Then in month number two, we're going to walk away with $38,125, which will give us a grand total of $68,650. Let's do month number one to get you started. Now, let's just say you're in, you've paid your $25, you have your system set up. So now you're going to share this with 5 great individuals. When those 5 people send you $25 each, that's going to be $125. From there, you're going to upgrade into the $100 level, keeping for yourself $25. That means that you're here free now because you have your $25 investment right back. When they duplicate your efforts, sharing with 5 people and upgrading to you in the level 2, that's going to be 100 times those great 5 people. That multiplication gives us $500. From the 500, you're going to put it all in, guys. We're going all in with that 500 because what's to come is greater than what you're already seeing. So when you put that $500 in there, you're going to retain nothing right there, guys. But watch this. This is where the power comes in. Now, when your team members upgrade for the 500, just like you previously did, time those 5 people, that's 2,500. From the 2,500, you're upgrading for 2,000, keeping for yourself 500. You see how it's about to get serious? Of course it is. When your team members follow you doing duplication, because duplication is the key, when they upgrade into level 4 for $2,000, time those 5 people, that is $10,000, guys, 10K. From the 10K, you're going to send 5,000 into level number 5, keeping for yourself 5K. Amazing, right? Yes, it is. So when your team members duplicate that effort, going up into level 5 at $5,000, time those same great 5 people, that multiplication gives us $25,000. Look at your total here, guys. The $25,000, because nothing else has to go in. You see right here where it says 0 upgrade, nothing else goes in because you're already in possession of all 5 levels. What happens at that point is the $25 moves over into your green, which means that it moves over to your account not to come out. And when you add that with your spillover amounts, you have a total of $30,525 for month number 1. Oh my God, 1 month you've been able to accumulate $30,525 from following the system, working with 5 people that work with 5 that work with 5, and do you see $30,525? But now let's take a look at month number 2, round number 2. Now at this particular point, you'll notice all zeros in the upgrade because you already own everything. There's nothing else for you to invest in. So now you're going to share this with 5 other people, 5 new people. Now when you share this with 5 new people, they're going to come in at 25 times the 5, that multiplication gives us 125. Nothing coming out of the 125 into your green. When they upgraded to the $100 level, which you already own, time those 5 people, that gives you $500, nothing coming out, 500 into your green. When they upgraded to the $500 level, right? Time those 5 people, that's 2,500 again, nothing coming out, 2,500 in the bank. When they go into level 4 at $2,000, time those same great 5 people, that gives you 10 grand, guys. Nothing coming out of that 10 grand because you're already on the level. That's 10,000 in your green. Amazing, guys. Now, when they upgrade into the final level of 5,000, time those 5 people, this is where it gets serious. That's 25 in, nothing coming out, 25 in the green, for a total of 38,125 in month number 2. Now let's add month number 2 with month number 1, and you get a total of $68,650 working with only 10 people. 10 people. Everybody will only work with 10 people to get this 68,650, guys. Imagine that. Super simple, nothing hard about it, guys. This is the easiest money that you will ever make. And trust me, a $25 investment is well worth it. So right now, I want to welcome you in advance to the Daily Wealth System, sponsored by the Daily 500 Club. This is your man, KR, coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. I welcome you in advance to this great opportunity. Take care.